Hello friends, today I will discuss the negative ions. So before I discuss this topic, let me consider first the following points. The states of atom, that is when it is in the form of positive ion or cation, or when it is in the form of negative ion, or when in the form of neutral. Next, what are the properties of electrical charges? Then we consider what are the sources of positive ions, what are the effects of the positive ions on the human body. Similarly, next we cover sources of negative ions, effects of negative ions. Next comes measurement of ions, negative ion generator. Next, drawbacks of the negative ion generators. Next, low cost effective negative ion generators. So these are the few points which we discuss here one after the other. So every atom in the air or in general has electrons and protons, and electrons have the negative polarity while the protons will have the positive polarity. Negative ions or positive ions cannot be created or destroyed. They can be transferred from one body to the other body. It is like this. So this is one atom, this is another atom. Suppose this atom lost one electron, means its electron gone to this atom. In that case, we call this atom has become negative ion. Whereas here the number of ions, the number of electrons are less than the number of protons present here. So then we call this atom as positive ion. So we can further simplify like this. Say this is a atom where the number of protons and the number of electrons are equal. In that case, we call that atom in the neutral state or neutral atom. Suppose it lost a electron or few electrons to another atom, then we call this atom, which was in the neutral atom state, now it becomes positive ion. So this is also called cation. Whereas the electrons received from this atom by this atom is called the negative ion or simply anion. There is an atom which has the equal protons and equal electrons. If they are present in this atom, then we call this is in the neutral state. Suppose this atom gives 2 electrons to the neighboring atom like this. Then the atom which received the electrons from this atom becomes negative ion, that is also called anion, whereas this atom becomes positive ion. This is also called cation because it lost the electrons. Same thing you can see here. So these are the protons, these are the electrons. If you look at this, the protons are more than the electrons. So we call this as positive ion or simply cation. Whereas here the electrons are more than the protons. So we call this as anion, or this is also called negative polarity atom. For normal weather conditions, in the air, the negative ions will be 200 to 800 per cubic centimeter, whereas positive ions will be 250 to 1500 per cubic centimeter. But what is the desired negative ions? The negative ions desired value in the air for good environment is between 1000 to 5 lakhs negative ions per cubic centimeter. So these ions were first invented or identified by the scientist called Benjamin Franklin, and he is the person who studied the characteristics of the charges. So the units of charge is nothing but coulomb, and we know the charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So according to this Benjamin Franklin, the properties of electrical charges are like this. They cannot be created or destroyed, but they can be transferred from one body to the other body or from one atom to the other atom. Second characteristic is like charges repel each other. Third characteristic is opposite charges attract each other. Fourth characteristic is the force between charges is directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So then, what are the adverse effects of the positive ions on the human health? So number one is, if the positive ions are more in the air or in the environment, the public is supposed to or likely to suffer with asthma, cancer, bones weakness, loss of sight, indigestion, gastric trouble, depression, OCPD, dizziness, etc. So then what are the sources of these positive ions? Number one is dump yards, where the unwanted waste material will be dumped in the municipalities or corporations, etc. Number two is drainage channels. Three is computers radiation. Fourth is electric bulb lights. Fifth is hospitals. Six is dark areas or closed rooms. Seven, AC rooms. Eight, dust particles. Ninth is tobacco smoke particles. 10, cement factories dust particles. 11, mobile phone radiation. 12, closed rooms. 13, skin diseases with skin disease persons like leprosy persons. 4th, kitchen and toilets. Next, sources of negative ions. Next, coming to the sources of negative ions: forests, rivers, oceans, mountains, trees, earth. Negative ion generators, they are also called air purifiers, manufactured by several companies like LG company, Videocon, etc. 8, sunlight. 9, Teflon clothes. 10, cotton clothes partially. Then what are the benefits of the negative ions? Strong bones, smooth respiration or breathing, resistance to the cancer, no depression, no dizziness, no OCPD, no skin diseases, no indigestion. So in general, in the environment, for the well-being of the human being, we need more negative ions. So then, what are the negative ion generators that are present in the market? This is one company. So this provides the negative ions, means this generates the negative ions and spreads in the air, and it costs around 33,000. Then how to know how many ions are there in the environment? So for that we need a motor meter, that is called measurement. So for measuring the ions, so it can measure both positive and also negative ions. So depending upon the selection, we can measure the ions. So we normally concentrate on negative ions, and this meter costs around 95,000 rupees. Similarly, there is a Tev iron clothes, means it is nothing but a jacket. So this its cost is 1.5 lakh, and this is also one of the material that are used for negative ions generation. But these ion generators, whatever we have seen, that is air purifiers, are failing to remove the positive ion particles, that is tobacco smoke particles, particles from the cement industry, similarly mining industries. So to safeguard the human beings, so normally to protect or to get the health when human being is deceased, there are three types of treatments that are normally used. One is in solid forms, the other is liquid form, the third one is smoke form. Solid form means oral pills or capsules, whereas liquid form means it may be injection or it may be a syrup. Whereas smoke means the smoke will be in the fragrance condition. So that smoke is used for breathing. So using that smoke also, some of the diseases can be cured. So these are the three types, and the available ion generator, that is air purifier, is unable to suppress the particles, positive ion particles from the tobacco, smoke, and also from the cement factory particles, similarly mining factories. So this is the technology that is failing there. So then what are the ways to overcome this? So to overcome this, there is a low cost. So to overcome the drawbacks of the air purifier available in the market, there is another way that we can use to suppress the positive ions that are coming due to the chemical factories or mining factories or from the from the cement factories. So in this case, there are some of the materials which is available in nature in different combinations. They are mixed and burned, and whatever smoke that comes is fragrance, and that is, if the human beings breathe, then it will be helpful for them to cure some of the diseases. In addition to this burning of these materials will also purify the environment, so that more number of negative ions are present at low cost. That more number of negative ions means it is 5 lakhs negative ions per cubic centimeters. It is possible with these low cost materials by burning them with the different combinations. So these materials are like this. This is the dry cow dung cake, and this is the dry grapes, and this is the almonds, and this is the habunam powder, and this is the fireweed which comes from the banyan tree, tulsi, etc. And this is the camphor, and this is the cow ghee, and this is the a dish that is called keshari, and this is called the sugar, and this is called the turmeric powder, and this is called the dates, and this is called the sugar. So the smoke coming from these materials burning have the full of negative ions, which is useful for the environment. Suppose you use the dry cow dung plus dates plus dry grapes and mix them and burn them, then that smoke will kill the typhoid bacteria in 30 minutes and other bacteria in 2 hours. Similarly, another combination, that is dry cow dung plus cow ghee plus kesari plus rice powder. So if you mix them and then burn them, then we get it can clear most of the bacteria in the environment. So these are the different combinations, or you can add all this as a mix and then burn it, and then it will purify the environment, which makes the environment with full of negative ions, which is useful to the human body. So we have seen what is meant by different states of atom, what are the properties of the electrical charges, what are the sources of the positive ions, what are the effects of the positive ions on the human being health, then what are the sources of negative ions, then what are the effects of the negative ions, and then we have seen the measurement of ions with the meter, and we have seen the negative ion generator, that is also called the air purifier, and then we also saw the drawbacks of the negative ion generator, and then we have seen to overcome the drawbacks of the ion generator, negative ion generator, the materials that are used, which are cheap in cost, to get the more negative ions in the environment, and also it is used to cure the diseases of the human being.